Thanks for stopping and checking us out. We offer easy delish dessert videos with anything from cakes to cookies, pies, some fudge, and much more. Today we're going to be making Oreo dream cake. We're going to be using some Oreos, sweetened condensed milk, Cool Whip, a chocolate cake mix. It's best if it's a fudge cake. And here on our channel you'll never have to look very far for the ingredients list, measurements and directions, and just drizzle it over the top. And you can find the recipe for every dessert right in the description of the video. And for a little sneak peek at some of our desserts, here is a strawberry delight pie with no baking required. And here is our famous white chocolate pecan fudge. And here is a fruit cocktail salad, very sweet and delicious and easy to make.